You've been staring at that gym membership renewal email for 3 days now. $50 a month, every month, and you're pretty sure you went exactly 4 times since Halloween. Personnel ever wonder why some people swear by their garage setups, while others say the gym is the only place that actually works? Today, I'll explain home gyms versus gym memberships like you're 5 years old. By the end, you'll understand which option fits your actual behavior, not your ideal fantasy version of yourself. Most people think this decision is about equipment quality or workout variety. It's not. It's about friction. Friction is every tiny obstacle between you and actually working out. The 15-minute drive, the parking hunt, the locker room crowd, the wait for your favorite machine, the intimidation when someone's benching twice your body weight. Every single one of those moments is a decision point where your brain can say, you know what? Maybe tomorrow. And tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes never. Gym memberships survive on friction. That's why Planet Fitness charges $10 a month and still makes massive profits. They're not selling workouts, they're selling the feeling that you might work out someday. The business model literally depends on you not showing up. Their facilities couldn't handle everyone using their membership at once. Here's the math nobody wants to hear. The average gym membership costs $50 per month. If you go 3 times a week consistently, that's about $4 per workout. Totally reasonable. But most people don't go 3 times a week consistently. Research shows gym visits drop from 8 times monthly in January to twice monthly by April. That's $25 per workout by spring. Over 5 years, that's $3,000 spent. And if you're the type who quits after 3 months but forgets to cancel for 6, you just donated money to a business that profits specifically from your fitness. Now here's where it gets interesting. A basic home gym setup costs about $1,500 up front. Power rack, barbell, bench, some plates. Sounds expensive. Until you realize that's 2.5 years of gym membership payments. After that, you're working out for free. The equipment just sits there, paid off, ready whenever you are. No renewal fees, no annual rate increases. But here's the trap most people fall into. They buy way too much stuff. The fancy rowing machine, the adjustable dumbbells up to 90 pounds, the cable crossover system, the smart mirror with live classes. Suddenly that $1,500 becomes $8,000, and now you need 13 years just to break even. Your garage becomes a fitness showroom you're afraid to use because you spent so much. But check this out. The convenience factor changes everything. With a home gym, the friction disappears almost entirely. You're tired after work? The garage is 30 seconds away. It's snowing outside? Doesn't matter. Your kid wakes up from a nap early? You're already home. You want to work out at 5 a.m. without seeing another human? Done. Studies on exercise adherence show that people with home setups work out 30% more frequently than gym members. Not because the equipment is better, because the obstacles vanish, and consistency beats intensity every single time. 3 mediocre home workouts per week will transform your body faster than 1 perfect gym session per month. Here's what you need to understand about motivation. It's not a permanent fuel source. Motivation is like phone battery. It drains throughout the day. By the time you finish work, fight traffic, make dinner, and finally have time to hit the gym, your motivation battery is at 12%. That's when friction wins. That's when the couch beats the commute. Home gyms don't need much motivation because the barrier is so low. You can literally work out in your pajamas between emails. The gym needs high motivation every single time because you're committing to a whole expedition. You're investing time and energy before you even touch a weight. You're mentally preparing yourself for the journey, not just the workout. Now let's talk about the gym's actual advantages, because they're real. Variety matters for some people. Specialty machines for specific muscles. Cable systems. Leg press machines that load up to 1,000 pounds. Swimming pools. Basketball courts. Saunas and steam rooms. Classes with instructors who actually know what they're doing. If you're training for something specific or you get bored easily, that variety keeps you engaged. Home gyms get repetitive. You've got your barbell, your bench, your squat rack. Same tools every single day. For some people, that's meditative simplicity. For others, it's soul-crushing monotony. Then there's the social factor. Some people work out harder when others are watching. The gym provides accountability through presence. You show up, someone recognizes you, suddenly you're committed. You see someone your age lifting more than you, suddenly you're competitive. Classes create community. You make friends. That's powerful motivation that a lonely garage can't replicate. But here's the flip side. For every person motivated by gym crowds, there's another person intimidated by them. Gym anxiety is real. Feeling judged, feeling lost, not knowing if you're doing exercises correctly. For those people, the home gym isn't just convenient. It's a safe space where nobody's watching. You can fail without an audience. You can learn without feeling stupid. Here's where personality type matters more than anyone admits. Are you self-directed or externally motivated? Do you follow programs easily or need someone telling you what to do? Can you push yourself alone or do you need a trainer watching? If you're the type who researches workouts, follows routines, and stays disciplined without supervision, a home gym will probably change your life. You'll use it constantly because it matches how you operate. But if you're the type who needs structure, classes, and social energy to stay committed, the gym membership is worth every penny. The mistake is choosing based on what sounds cooler instead of what matches your actual personality. Let's address the hybrid approach nobody mentions. You could buy a basic home setup for quick, convenient workouts, then keep a cheap gym membership for variety and classes. Planet Fitness is $10 per month. A simple home setup with adjustable dumbbells, a bench, and resistance bands costs maybe $400 total. Now you've got daily convenience at home and weekend variety at the gym. Total first-year cost, about $520. That's less than most single gym memberships, and you've got both worlds covered. Most people never consider this because they think it has to be one or the other. Bad weather? Work out at home. Feeling social? Hit the gym. But here's the brutal truth. Most people fail at both. The gym membership becomes a monthly guilt tax. The home gym becomes an expensive clothes rack. The equipment doesn't matter if you don't use it. A $50 pair of dumbbells you use 4 times a week beats a $5,000 home gym setup you avoid because it reminds you of broken promises. The real decision isn't home versus gym. It's honesty versus fantasy. Are you actually going to work out, or are you just buying permission to imagine a fitter version of yourself? Here's why this matters beyond just money. Your fitness affects energy, health, longevity, confidence, and mental clarity. Choosing the wrong setup doesn't just waste cash, it quietly derails the entire goal. That unused gym membership isn't just $600 per year. It's another year of lower energy, another year of avoided beach trips, another year of feeling disconnected from your body. The right choice removes obstacles between you and consistency. The wrong choice becomes another obstacle effect. Every month you pay for something you don't use, you're training yourself that fitness commitments don't matter. You're building a pattern of broken promises to yourself. So to recap, gym memberships are cheaper up front, but cost more over time if you don't use them consistently. Home gyms are expensive initially, but pay off fast if you actually work out regularly. Friction is the invisible killer of consistency. Personality type matters more than equipment quality. Variety and social energy favor gyms. Convenience and privacy favor home setups. The hybrid approach gives you both without breaking the bank. Most people fail at both because they choose based on fantasy instead of honest self-assessment. So here's what you need to ask yourself. When you imagine working out consistently, where are you actually doing it? And what's genuinely stopping you from starting today?